My name is Yuichi Shibazaki. I'm a corporate vice president of Nikon and in charge of advanced manufacturing business unit as a general manager.
My name is Daghan. I'm the co-founder CEO at Aibuild.
As you know, Nikon is recognized as a global leader in applied optics and precision technologies. And now we have just started a new journey, which is digital manufacturing, which includes additive manufacturing and the precise laser processing.
Aibuild is a software company. We are focused on automating complex manufacturing processes. We are known as the most advanced toolpath generation software for deposition-based technologies like DED, as well as wire arc additive manufacturing. And we are working very closely with our hardware partners like Nikon to integrate our software and offer automated solutions for aerospace, defense, automotive, and energy customers.
I was looking for excellent solution for tool path making for DED. For directed energy deposition, additive manufacturing requires very sophisticated tool path making capability. However, at that time, we didn't see any good solution in this industry which is capable of that kind of, which fulfills that kind of requirement. I happened to find Aibuild in the Form Next, so that was a very impressive moment that, oh, this is the function that I had been looking for. So that was the first step for our collaboration.
When we first met Shibazaki-san and the Nikon team a few years ago at a trade show in Formnext, we already knew about Nikon as a globally recognized brand, but it also became immediately clear to us how serious they were about changing the future of manufacturing. So immediately they went deep, like they got a deep technical understanding of what we are working on today. And at the same time, they had a clear plan about the long-term vision. And that plan was very strongly aligned with what we wanted to achieve at Aibuild.
CAM capability is a crucial piece for our DED solution. And not just using Aibuild software as a third-party kind of additional application software, but we wanted to make Aibuild software much more tailored and suitable for our solutions.
So we are very excited to achieve this milestone, and it's the result of a lot of technical work that both teams have contributed to. And I think it's going to be extremely impactful for additive manufacturing overall, because DED, direct energy deposition, has been an emerging technology. There was more established additive technologies like laser powder bed fusion, but Nikon is pioneering and inventing new ways of making DED a lot more faster, more precise, and more applicable into more industrial applications.
By 2030, we would like to realize the world where machine and human collaborate with each other in a much smarter way, which is the core of the digital manufacturing. So together with Aibuild, so not just a part of bed fusion technology, but also we would like to DED solution as a much larger portfolio in our business.
So our vision is to enable autonomous manufacturing at scale, and that's very well aligned with Nikon's 2030 vision. So we're working very hard on eliminating some of the technical barriers for wider automation and more scalability. This is very important for manufacturing to become more sustainable, more efficient, and more distributed. So we continue to invest heavily into automation and eliminating bottlenecks to take digital manufacturing from being driven by human experience and trial and error into much smarter toolpaths, smarter planning and monitoring technologies.
Yeah, starting with introducing Aibuild software as into our solution, and then in the future, that collaboration will lead to the kind of situation where everybody in this industry can easily leverage DED solution, and that will finally end up with the situation where kind of much more manufacturing will be covered by additive manufacturing. So additive manufacturing market itself will expand, driven by our collaboration. That is the kind of somehow our dream, and we would like to make it happen.
So Nikon is investing heavily into R&D and advancing the state-of-the-art in additive manufacturing. We think this is going to help accelerate the adoption of the technology, and also is going to unlock new applications that wasn't possible before. One example here is the repair of broken parts like this blade tip, but also many other designs that were previously not possible will be possible to make with additive. Here's a good example. This part, traditionally it would require a lot of support material, and it will be an inefficient way to make that part. But in this case, we almost defy gravity by moving the machine around and depositing material very carefully. We're able to achieve big gains in efficiency of production. And we think we are very proud to be part of that journey with Nikon, and excited about the future of digital manufacturing.